Hey there! In this video, we'll walk you through how to schedule a Zoom class inside VEGA AI. If you haven't yet connected your Zoom account to VEGA AI, I've linked a video in the top right corner that shows how to do that step by step. Now, once your Zoom is connected, go to the Operations tab, select your course, and click on Schedule to Zoom. You'll now see your Zoom scheduler view. Click on Create Meeting to begin setting up your class. Here, you can create any type of class, whether it's one-on-one or one-to-many. Let's say we're creating a class called Algebra Revision Session for the Digital SAT course. Choose the date and time by clicking on the calendar icon. Scroll to the time you want and click Save. The meeting time will automatically adjust to show in each student's local time zone. You can set the duration to anything, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, whatever suits your class. If this is going to be a recurring session, just check the recurring option. You can then set the frequency to daily, weekly, or monthly, and choose when the recurrence ends, either after a set number of sessions or on a specific date. You can also enter a short agenda. Next, select who you want to invite. You can assign the class to an entire batch or select individual students. If you're scheduling for a batch and want to know how to create one, there's a tutorial linked in the top right corner. You can also filter students by enrollment date or select them manually. Once students are selected, add the teacher for the session. Now everything is ready. Click on Schedule Meeting. Your Zoom class is now scheduled. You'll see it listed under your scheduled classes, where you can view upcoming classes, ongoing sessions, completed meetings. You can also use the calendar view to get a clear overview of your entire teaching schedule. If you want to share the Zoom link, just click on the meeting and copy the link to send to students. But the great part is, they can also access it directly from their own portal. Here's how it looks from the student side. When a student logs into their Learning Hub and clicks on Classes, they'll see the Zoom session listed under Upcoming. They can simply click Join Meeting, and Zoom will launch automatically. So whether you share the link directly or let students join through their portal, it's quick, seamless, and integrated. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful.